Weed can be your greatest friend or your worst nightmare. Goat weed, that is. This weed can grow anywhere between 2 to 12 feet tall depending on the water source, the amount of rain we're getting that year, sunlight, and various other weather conditions. Hogs love this weed. They love to lay down in it and hide in it. And as you can see, it is easy to get in this weeds and hide. I personally have been ran over by a 200-pound hog just walking through this stuff, minding my own business, not really paying attention to where I was walking, and 5 feet from a hog, I see one, he tramples me. You can gut shot a hog in this weed and lose it. As you can see, there's one we just recently found. Gut shot, just came over in the weeds. But if you want a fun, exciting hunt, get out there on a spot and stalk and start going through these weeds. No telling what could happen. You could have the story of your life, you could shoot the hog of your life, and it's just all around a great time to get out there with a group of 5 guys, go tramping through these weeds and get on a pack of hogs and knock them down.